My name is Brian Badman. I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon with fellowship training in shoulder and elbow reconstruction. My practice is a 100% shoulder elective practice. My goal and passion is really focusing on patients with severe shoulder pain in the greater Indianapolis area. When patients come in, I think that my main goal is to really lay out all the options that they have available for whatever condition we're treating. And I think education and expectations and all that really make for better satisfaction for the patient after surgery.
Dr. Badman is very clear-cut with his explanation and his detail on how you're going to feel, what he recommends. So it made me feel so much better knowing that in the near future I would be able to care for my kids, especially my 2-year-old at that time.
Most of my surgeries at this point include rotator cuff repair, shoulder replacement, reverse shoulder replacement, instability surgery for the shoulder, and elbow disorders. For patients that like to do something, I'm not a doctor that says you can't do that anymore. You know, if you come in and you've got an issue, I'm going to try to make that issue better so you can resume doing whatever it is that you want to resume doing. I'm not one that's going to say, give up what you're doing.
Dr. Badman was able to kind of give me a diagnosis. I had a partially torn labrum. And so we had optionality of looking at surgery or looking at modifying how I worked out. Taking it a little bit easier on certain movements and a kind of a course of action, totally eliminating certain movements. And with that, it allowed the labrum to kind of heal naturally. And so I'm back to full range of motion. We worked through a lot of stretching exercises so that I get a lot more range of motion in my shoulders.
He's just a very congenial person and takes his time with you.
Anytime I see someone with a shoulder problem, I always say, I know just exactly who you need to go see. And I've given him his cards out. Now I don't have any more cards left.
I think Dr. Badman's technique, his bedside manner, his attention to detail, I think he's just phenomenal.
It's gratifying when patients come back and they're happy and you've made a significant impact in their life. They're not hurting anymore. That's really, I think, what keeps driving me to do what I do.